Hello from IPSOC 19 in Grenoble, France. So, I have the pleasure to be, first of all, with a French partner. His name is Christophe Véry, and he's responsible of the sales of SiFive in Europe. So, of course, it's very exciting to have news from SiFive. RISC-V is creating such a big momentum. So, Christophe, can you tell us what happens in SiFive, what is new, or what is the track of SiFive, please?
Hello, thank you for the invitation at IPSOC as well. What is interesting with SiFive today is possibility for the customer to be able to program, to parameterize with his own requirement and to get his own CPU and not a standard one. It's the most differentiator with the other companies. And today we announced the U8 series, which is our next superscalar out-of-order processor. And we also announced the security feature. So it means that we will embed software and hardware security on SoC level for around the IP RISC-V and inside our custom SOC business unit. So trace and debug is also a new feature we will implement to be able for our customer to interface with RISC-V processor for trace and debug.
Okay, so how do you see the future in Europe? Europe is the birthplace of ARM. So what do you think about the chance of SiFive to penetrate Europe? It's comparable to anywhere, or it's something special in Europe?
It's a good question. Yes, the future of SiFive in Europe is really to design a specific core, a specific processor for our customer. So the future at the end for SoC and for IP is customization and to target specific need for customer. We want customer to not be locked with one technology, not be locked with one IP provider and so on. So the goal is to give to the customer all the flexibility to design their own processor.
Yeah, you are right. People always want several sources, several solutions. So it's a little bit true that on the open market, ARM was a little bit alone. If you exclude the processor of inside Cadence or inside Synopsys, ARM was maybe the only solution. Now you have an alternative. Do you think that the fact that ARM now opens his set of instruction with a configurable one, will this make ARM very close to SiFive, or are still some differences? Tomorrow they announce special instruction for some customer. Is it then very close to what SiFive does, or still some big difference?
No. The custom instruction is something. It's a need from customer to be able to extend the instruction set for their own needs. So no, we are not close or far from ARM on this point. It's just a customer need on this topic.
So you think that anyway, everybody has to offer configuration in terms of a set of instruction, whether it's ARM or you or anybody else. It's a need of the market today.
Yes, as soon as we need to accelerate and to the hardware versus the software, we will need some specific instruction for customers. The customer can differentiate as well his design in terms of new feature thanks to the instruction port.
Okay, so anyway, we are very glad that SiFive has joined us at this event, and we'll follow you and you will follow us, and we wish you good luck, especially in the European market. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.